If you're looking for free AI coding tools in 2026, there are some amazing options available right now. Tools like Codium.com, GitHub.com, Developers.google.com, and Continue.dev are becoming super popular among beginners and professional developers. Many of these tools offer free code generation, debugging, autocomplete, and even full project creation features. Stackscape Plus 2. YouTube Video Speech. Today we are going to talk about some of the best free AI coding tools that can seriously boost your productivity in 2026. If you are a beginner, student, or even a professional developer, these AI tools can help you write code faster, fix bugs instantly, and even build full projects with simple prompts. First, we have Codium. It's one of the best free AI coding assistants available right now. It gives unlimited AI code completion and works with popular editors like VS Code and JetBrains. It's basically a great free alternative to GitHub Copilot. Next is GitHub Copilot Free. This tool is perfect for beginners because it directly suggests code while you type. It can help you learn programming much faster and save a lot of time during projects. Another powerful option is Google Gemini Code Assist. Google recently expanded its free AI coding features for developers, and it now supports many programming languages with smart debugging and code generation features. If you want something open source and customizable, then Continue.dev and Aider are amazing choices. These tools allow you to connect different AI models and use them directly inside your coding environment. And finally, if you want an AI tool that can almost build projects for you, then tools like Cursor AI, OpenCode, and Claude Code are becoming extremely popular in the developer community. The best part is that most of these tools have free plans, so you can start learning and building projects without spending money. So if you want to become a smarter and faster programmer in 2026, definitely try these AI coding tools. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI coding tool is your favorite.